We begin tonight with a weather impact alert day. Strong Santa Ana winds are roaring across the county, driving up fire danger and causing damage. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Steffi Roche.
And I'm Steve Price. The hot, dry winds have been blowing all weekend, and today several homes nearly paid the price. A brush fire sparked just before noon today in a canyon in the Birdland neighborhood. Flames threatening homes and transmission lines. That fire grew to about 2 acres before dozens of firefighters quickly stopped it. No injuries reported. The cause still under investigation.
And nearby, the winds were so strong they uprooted a large tree and slammed it into a home. The homeowner, who's lived there for 50 years, tells News 8 she's never seen winds like this in her neighborhood.
Well, every time we have these dry Santa Ana winds, there is a lot of concern. So let's check in with meteorologist Sean Stiles for more on the heat, the wind, and the fire risk ahead. Sean.
Yeah, you know, Steve, these winds definitely howling. Steffi, you said just a little bit earlier on Balboa Avenue, it was very windy up here in the Mesa. Some really weird things are starting to happen in the atmosphere right now as we speak. Now, I wanted to show you this, that the wind advisory that was up at 5 o'clock till 5 o'clock. I wanted to see if the National Weather Service would pull it because the winds were shifting as we were going on the air. They have taken that wind advisory down. Now, as we go northward into Los Angeles, they still have this heat advisory. You may have noticed it was pretty toasty out there today. Look at these winds, though. As you look at the northern part of the county and the eastern part of the county, everything's coming out of the west and northwest until you get to Chula Vista, downtown San Diego, and Del Mar. Everything switches out of the south. And look at the temperature change from Del Mar, downtown, and Chula Vista. All at least 20 degrees cooler than all the surrounding temperatures. That's because this area of low pressure that is to the south of us is sent up its first little spike of moisture, and you can see that in the humidity map here. And so that moisture is bringing much cooler air into the region and much more moisture. So we're seeing that quick drop. That's how fast things are changing. Tomorrow we're forecasting a 68. That will be 20 degrees cooler than today. 66 on Tuesday, and then we start the warm up on Wednesday. We really see that in the inland microclimates with those temperatures pushing into the 80s. But what a dramatic change in weather in the past hour or two. I'll have your 7-day forecast in just a bit.